And the next one is write the successor of the following and the predecessor. Successor. What do you mean by successor? In the previous class we have learned after, before. The same thing. Successor means after and predecessor means before. So successor means after number. These both are same meaning. So see the first one. Here also I will explain only two. So see 5678. What is the successor of this number? 5679 is the successor, means after number. And for same thing, for this same number, if you find out the predecessor means before number. It's before. So same number 5678. What is the predecessor? Means what is the before number? It's 5677. One more number we will take for successor. 1024 means 1024. 1024 successor is 1025. Next one is predecessor. The same number we are taking the predecessor. 1024. The before number is 1023. So successor means after and predecessor means before. So same like this only you have to do the third bit and the fourth bit of page. So here just we have to place it less than symbol, greater than symbol or equal to sign. So how will you find out? First we have to compare the numbers and then you have to find out which is the less than or equal to or more than. So in the previous classes, the same thing with 3 digits we have done. So now we are going to do with 4-digit number. So first see, here comparison of numbers, first we have to see the left side and right side. The left side 4 digits are there. First we have to see how many digits are there. Here 4 digits are there. Here also 4 digits are there. So first we have to start with this ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So here thousands place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So here thousands place 9 is there. Here thousands place 3 is there. So first we have to check 9 and 3. Is 9 greater than 3? Yes, obviously 9 is greater than 3. If 9 is greater than 3, then the whole this number is greater than this number. So obviously 9876 is greater than the 8142. For example, same like this only. If you have 9976 and here 9376, then here how will you find out? Thousands place, here 9 is there, here 9 is there. So 9, 9, it's equal. So we cannot compare this number. So go to next number, it's hundreds place. So here we have to take hundreds place, that is 9 and here is 3. So here 9 and here 3. So obviously 9 is greater than 3. So then we can assume that this number is greater than this number. So in 900s place, if you are having the same 9, then you have to move to tens place. If tens place also the same thing, then you have to move to ones place. Like that you have to compare the numbers from left side to right side. So by this you have to do 5th bit in page number 13. And the next one is arrange the numbers in ascending order. So ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. So first we have to compare the numbers from small to big. So one I will explain here. Remaining you have to do the homework. So here 8429 means 8429, 6312, 4144 and 1024. So here you have to place this in ascending order. So how will you find it? First we have to check this thousands place. So 8461. So first we have to find out which is the smallest number. 8, yeah 4 or 6 or 1. So obviously 1 is the smallest number. So 1's number you have to write first, 1024. Then next 864. Which one it comes? 4. So 4144. Then after 6 or 8. Obviously after 6. 4 after 6. So what is the question? 6312. Then 8429. So like that you have to compare from the thousands place and you have to arrange from small to big. In the same way, you have to do page number 14, second one, third one and fourth one. Next, so here, the first one I will explain. 2346, 3985, 6142, 7388. So here arrange it in descending order. Descending order means big to small. So here first we have to find out the biggest number and then small, then small. So here the same thing, thousands place. So here thousands place 2, 3, 6, 7. So where from 7 is the biggest number. So 7388. The next number it is 6142. Then it is 3985. And the last one is 2346. So like this you have to compare from biggest number to smallest number. Descending order means big to small. So page number 14, like this only you have to do this 7th bit. I hope it's clear. Now page number 15. 8th question. See here, make 6 4 digits. Make 6 4 digit odd numbers. So here some digits are given, 4 digits are given. You have to make 6 numbers by using this digit, and that is of odd numbers, not the even numbers, odd numbers you have to do. I hope all you know what is odd number. The number which is not divisible by 2. Okay? If it's divided by 2, it gives the remainder 1. That numbers are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, these are the odd numbers. So here make 6 4 digits. So here 4 digits are given, you have to make odd numbers. So how will you make these odd numbers? By using only these 4 digits, 4, 3, 5, 2. So how will you make 4, 2, 3, 5. If the last number is odd, then the whole number is odd. So 5 is the odd number, then 4, 2, 5, 3. 3 is the odd number. Then 2, 4, 3, 5. 5 is the odd number. 2, 4, 5, 3. Here also 3 odd number. Then 5, 4, 2, 3. Then 5, 2, 4, 3. So here, if the last number is 3 and 5, they both are odd numbers. So if the last number is odd, obviously the whole number is odd number. So same like that only. Next one, see. Make 6 4 digits even number. So the next one, 9th one question. 6 4 even numbers. So what do you mean by even numbers? The number which is divisible by 2 and it gives the remainder 0. Means it's exactly divisible by 2. So by this 4 digits only you have to make 6 numbers. How will you make this number? So here say 1 7 6 8. 8 is an even number. 8 is divisible by 2. Then 1 7 8 6. Here also 6 is even number. 7 1 6 8. 7 1 8 6. 6 7 1 8. And the number does not repeat. All the numbers are different, but the last number should be even. If last number is even, then all numbers are even. Next, I hope all